Here we go again, 615% profit. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. We track Bitcoin 24/7. Our last call was to buy Bitcoin right here at $27,000. Right now, we are up 45% profit. Bitcoin right now is $39,000. Guys, when you become a member with us, I will teach you this strategy, swing trade strategy, to buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, Ethereum, BNB, XRP. Don't worry about it. Bitcoin costs $39,000. Why are you gonna trade Bitcoin cost $39,000 if you can make 185% trading AIOZ network? That's what I'm talking about. Welcome to our new members, Mateo, Daniel, Charles, and Lisa. Guys, pay attention to this. AIOZ network. I shared this trade at the private list on November 26. We bought this coin for 6 cents and a half, and we put a sell order up here at 20 cents. We made over 185% profit. Amazing returns. How my software track this move? Pay attention right here. AIOZ network, about the volume spike. On November 22, the volume of this coin was 2.6 million. On November 24, the volume was $7.9 million, guys. Before the price goes up, that is the pre-pumping volume. That's what my software is tracking 24/7. Volume spike plus buyer power. Trades I share in the private list on the last 3 days were private list email, AIOZ network, AntiMatter, RazrFi, Alchemix, KOK, MoneySwap. Pay attention to this, guys. Alchemix, $381 million. Remember, this is a worldwide market, guys. You can trade crypto worldwide, anytime, anywhere. All you gotta do is to get your email in my private list email, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Let's talk about Alchemix. Pay attention right here. Alchemix. I shared this trade in the private list right here on November 29. We bought this coin for $15.60 and put a sell order up here. Daily resistance $24. We made over 50% profit. How my software pick this volume, this price here? Again, volume spike plus buyer power. Pay attention to this. Alchemix. Let's go down. Right here, November 20. Volume of this coin was 1.8 million. November 22, the volume was 4.2 million. That is what I'm talking about. The volume spike plus buyer power. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. How about that? I do the homework, you copy my trades, we trade together, everybody makes money. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Feel free to reach me out and let me know if you like to join. Let's trade together.